Happy Saturday. I signed up to volunteer at my local farm, which is the Halsey Farm on Halsey and Marcus Garvey, and I'm on my way. She needs to get out of my video.
Don't want to be in your video.
This frozen compost is freezing my left cheek.
That's good.
Why is that good? It could be numb. I see.
Agriculture cooler.
Oh, baby. First up is I always drop off my food scraps to the compost bin as my contribution to my local farm. As you can see, I have loads and loads and loads of scraps. Grow NYC's Fresh Food Box program is a food access initiative that enables underserved communities to purchase fresh, healthy food. I pay $14 a week for a bag of food that probably weighs 10 to 15 pounds that would normally cost about 20 to 30 bucks in the store. Can't beat that. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even expecting that. It's really good. And this is where all the composting magic happens. These are all the compost bins. Browns, trash, scraps. Oh. There's a perfect way to pack these so that your compost comes out with the optimal amount of nutrients. First step, get your gloves. I'm filling up a compost garbage can with compost from the bin in the back to give to Grow NYC. So you bring in your scraps and your compost and you put it in these bins. It'll stay in these bins for maybe a week or so. And what's the scraps and food that is in the bins will be broken down. And put into bin 1. In bin 1, it'll also, with the compost, you mix in browns like paper bags or brown paper boxes, leaves, sticks, browns, sawdust even, and you mix it up. In this bin, it'll be roasting and working for a month. Then it's moved into this bin. Earlier we were turning it and steam came from it. So hot. You need the heat in order for the food to begin breaking down. And slowly but surely, and gently.
Actually tried the pump then with irrigation yet?
So that you can use again.
Apple tree. You can see the little apples are growing. Ooh, they're so cute. Last year we got
What kind of apples?
Actually it says on it. Carrollton apple? I don't know. Somebody dumped
Gave you
these. Not gave us, dumped them. The 2 apple trees and the pear tree. And then there's some blueberries back there.
Sunflowers, I love sunflowers.
I know, the sunflowers are going to be super beautiful. This bed is mostly the garlic, so the scapes are the curly part at the end.
Mm-hmm. Are those are garlic, not onions?
Those are garlic.
Okay.
So they'll be ready in about a month. We planted them in October, so they're deep. They take a long ass time.
You're open year round, right? The farm?
Not really. We're not open. We used to stay open on Saturdays only in the winter for compost, but now that the motion to the fresh food box runs year round.
But out of the church,
Out of
right?
the church.
Okay.
They'll decide, you know, if they like the queen, they'll accept her. If they don't, they'll kill her. But you can tell if the queen's in there without actually seeing the queen. If you see new brood, like if you see basically larvae,
Ah.
forming, you know there's a queen.
And you said this is bee barb?
This is called bee balm.
Bomb. And
Yeah.
what is...
This is the flower. It'll have these nice big red flowers pretty soon.
Every week that I visit the Halsey Farm, I'm more and more excited and enthused about the work that they're doing. Not only for the Bed-Stuy community, but also for my personal endeavors on wanting to own a farm. They are truly about sharing the knowledge on healthy and sustainable living for all residents and to foster a community of strong bonds and relationships. And to be a part of such an abundant ecosystem, I am truly, truly blessed. If you have any questions about my Saturday routines or the Halsey Farm, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great Saturday. Peace.